In this program, we will be create a program using while loop together with if else statements to repeatedly checks student grades until the user decides to stop. So first, we set a variable again equal with the value of yes. Next, we create the while loop. So while again that lower close and open parenthesis is equal to yes. Use that lower to make sure na kahit naka caps lock yung letter na input ni user is mag-run pa rin siya, and so ang result is lowercase. Inside the loop, we ask for the student score. So we use float for this. Then we check the score using if else conditions. If score is greater than or equal to 90, then if you print niya is your grade is A, then excellent. Then if score is greater than equal to 85, then print your grade is B, which is very good. So same process pa din siya, if highest to lowest. So if score greater than equal to 80, so put colon pala para mabasa siya ng program natin and mag-run siya. So let's fast forward the video kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung gagawin natin hanggang sa lowest yung elif na loop natin, then else yung pinaka-last. So each condition checks where the score fits and prints the corresponding grade and remarks. So kapag nag-input si user ng number na may equal sa value na yun, and ayun yung ipiprint niya. Then lastly, we use the else statement. Ito yung result na ipiprint out if all the previous conditions are false. Then after that, we use for the user's input again. Again, equal input. Then inside the parenthesis, the question, do you want to enter another score? Then we have two conditions, if yes or no. So if the user types yes, the loop runs again. If they type no, the condition becomes false and the loop stops. Then finally, after exiting the loop, we print thanks for using the grade system. So now let's run the program. So there's an error, the indentation. Then nag-run na siya. So pag in-enter natin yung 90, lumalabas yung grade is A equal excellent. Then may question na, do you want to enter another score? Then we have the option yes or no. So let's run the program again. Then enter a number. Then yes or no condition. Then may loop na lumabas. Yes again, loop. Yes, then another yes, then let's input the no. Then nagprint out yung thanks for using the grade system. So yung while loop is i-repeat nito yung block of code as long as the condition is true. Then if else statement check multiple conditions to decide which message to display. So as you can see in our program, there are multiple conditions. Then the loop continues until the user types anything other than yes, then it stops when the user types no. So that's for this video about